Hello everyone, today is Thursday, July 2nd. It's just a little bit after the market close, and I have another video. I traded my LeeLoo Combine account. I'm still trying to qualify, but there was a good trade today. Before I begin, this is our website. If you're interested in the AutoTrader or the indicators, you can go to our website and get more information. Currently there's a coupon for $500 off the AutoTrader. Use code BWT 500. Okay, so this chart is the E-mini S&P Super Renko 4-tick, and I've showed this and spoke about it. This has fixed targets of 12 and 14 ticks. It's a limit order with a 1-tick pullback, and at 1 tick I'm trailing by the volatility stop, which is the little hash marks here. And you can see that there's plenty of room here for the market to retrace without getting stopped out. And I've been working with this as a fully automated solution. This was traded fully automated by the AutoTrader. There was nothing manual about it. It starts trading at 9:30. So I set my computer up before I went to bed, and 9:30 Eastern, the open of the market is 3:30 a.m. My time. So you can see here it starts trading at 9:31, actually 1 minute after the close. And I've been working on a solution to trade fully automated, and this is one of the ones that I've come up with, and traded it today, and it hit its goal of 625. And what I did different about this that I wasn't doing before is I used the simple moving average 20 as a filter, and you can see how well that filtered out several short trades here. So if you look at the open here at 9:31 where it can start trading, it didn't get filled here, probably didn't have a pullback, but it didn't take this short here, probably because of the look back. So the first trade it took here was a loser, and it was a very small loser. It was only not even $100. So by trailing that volatility stop really close, it keeps your losers small. The next trade, even though it was at the very top of the move here, it eked out its 12 and 14 ticks here, and then it caught the next short. Really nice trade there. Of course, there was much more to go, but that's okay. This kind of target works really good, because if you get these short bursts like this that don't follow through with a long trend, you still have a nice trade. And then there was just a little bit of a short trade here to hit its goal of 625. So I have, or 650, so there was a couple of ticks of slippage, I guess. So anyway, this worked out really well. Now, I wanted to show another chart. Okay, this is the same setup, except this one starts trading at 4:55 a.m. I've had good success trading about that time in the morning. Now, it was traded in Sim, but what I want to point out here is that this had a false start. It drew down almost $400, but it came back from that drawdown and ultimately hit its goal. So the point of this is that it can absorb some losing trades and still come back and hit its goal. So far I'm pretty impressed by this chart. Okay, there's been some discussion about the open range filter, and here it is again on the 500 tick, just a straight 500 tick chart, and this is a limit order with a 5-tick pullback, and this is only a single contract. And at 100 ticks, I'm trailing by bars. So the goal here is 750. So it got stopped out here, and then there was a second trade, and it hit its goal. So perhaps I should remove this trailing stop. But anyway, this is another one I'm looking at to trade fully automated. Pretty nice template here. Also want to note the open range filter here is pretty effective, especially in this bullish market that we've been in. Okay, this is a Superenco 8 tick trading 2 contracts, and it only drew down about $250 and then came back and hit its goal of 750 with positive slippage. Again, this setup able to absorb some small losers and then catching this nice runner here. I believe the money management on this could probably be improved a little bit. I have this trading both directions. Had I only traded long, I actually would have fared much better. This starts trading at 10:35 a.m. Okay, this is a 987 Heikin-Ashi tick chart, and this starts trading at 9:30. Actually, this one here, I have the session times disabled, so this started trading whenever I turned it on. And anyway, it hit its goal here of, I believe, $1,000, and it probably had some slippage here. Okay, I've been testing some line break charts again, and this has had several days in a row of solid winners with $1,000 goal. And yesterday it did really well, but I didn't show it. I didn't bother to show any of the trades on the charts I'm following. I wanted to show Trader Jim's video. So anyway, this also has fixed targets of 60 and 100 ticks, but at 60 ticks I'm trailing by a bar. So on every one of these trades I got stopped out. So what that tells me is I probably need to maybe give it a little more room, but in spite of that, it hit its goal of $1,000. It ended up with 1035, but there was only one loser here. Two losers. There was 2 losers and 3 winners, and it hit its goal of $1,000. This trading 2 contracts, so some pretty nice trades here. What's different about this is this chart is a 250 tick with 5 line breaks, and so when it catches these swings, they're, you know, in this market in the Nasdaq, they're pretty good runs. This starts trading at I think 9:31. So it'll be interesting to see if this develops some consistency, but these are very nice swings, and the AutoTrader is able to take these and works out pretty good on a line break. Okay, this is a 100 tick chart, and it starts trading at 4:30 a.m. and I've got a pretty sizable stop loss on here. This hit its goal. I believe it's just a single contract. Yeah, this is a single contract, and it hit its goal of $1,000. It had some slippage here. And this I set to trade long only, as you can see. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.